And with your Storm Team 2 weather update on this Tuesday night, I'm meteorologist Elyse Smith. Wednesday and Thursday's forecast, your weekly dose of deja vu. Both days are pretty much copy-paste. It's going to be cold and cloudy. Morning lows each day, starting in the mid-20s. Yikes, that's cold for March. Then moving into the afternoon, high temperatures will only reach the low to mid-30s because of how cloudy it's going to be. But we do quite literally have some light at the end of the tunnel, though, for Thursday. Could see a little more sunshine for the second half of the afternoon. Then everything changes on Friday with the next weather system moving in, an area of low pressure moving in from the south. And depending on which way the system goes, it is going to dictate what we see here in western New York. If this low takes a more northerly track, we're going to be on the warmer side of the system. So we have the better chance to see more of a rain-snow mix beginning Friday, lingering into Saturday, potentially some snow accumulations. But if this low stays farther south, we're going to be on the colder side of the system, which means more snow than anything else. Could see some heavy snow and potentially higher snow accumulations. It's just too early really to pinpoint which way this low could go. But we want to let you know the end of this week looking a little bit messy with more of a wintry mix and potentially some snow accumulations, just adding on to the extremely snowy winter we've seen so far. Yesterday in Buffalo, we picked up around a trace, a dusting of snow across the southern tier, though. We had snow totals range between 5 to 7 inches. So for the month so far, based on observations at the Buffalo Airport and the National Weather Service office, we've seen 1.2 inches of snow. Actually slightly below average for March standards, but the season in and of itself, 124 inches of snow. Well, almost 125. That is almost 4 feet above average. This now ranks as the 9th snowiest winter on record here in Buffalo. No snow to talk about tonight, though. Current satellite and radar loop have some clouds moving in from the northeast. This is the trend we're going to see over the next 24 to 36 hours as we have a high pressure system far to our north, but it's going to slide actually west instead of east. So as we get that northeasterly flow overhead, that's going to allow for a couple of light flurries to develop off of Lake Ontario as the lake's water temperature is going to be warmer than the air temperature. We know how this goes here in western New York, but cloudy no matter what. Temperatures again slowly falling into the mid-20s, only slowly rising into the lower 30s by tomorrow afternoon. So on future look here, it keeps the cloud cover in play. You see some of those potential specks of snow. Yeah, I'm not ruling out any flurries throughout the day tomorrow, but just not anything in the way of snow accumulation. Then for future look into Wednesday afternoon and evening, not much changing, clouds developing off the lake, but then you see into Thursday afternoon, we get some clearing, but then clouds roll back in ahead of that next system that'll be here for Friday. So your 7-day zone forecast for Niagara and Orleans counties and Buffalo, big weather systems moving in, so not much changing between zones here. The chance for some rain and snow showers, we are keeping that forecast with rain and snow for now for Friday, but if we do see some cooler temperatures, that is going to be more of a snow trend than a rain trend. Keeping some snow showers in the forecast till Saturday and not a break in these wintry temperatures here for March. Now, south towns and southern tier, similar forecast, just potentially the better chance for some heavier snow across the southern tier Saturday morning than the rest of western New York as the system exits, and then the potential for some more snow showers like that next week. And that's your Storm Team 2 weather update on this Tuesday night. Have a great night.